Hey everybody, welcome back. This video is explaining what the next couple of videos are going to be here at Western Timber Limited. As you all know, my name's Ryan and I'm a carpenter and joiner of 25 years. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to be installing a security steel door to the front of our workshop because our old one is well past its sell-by date. And basically, I've teamed up with a company called thiswholesale.co.uk and they do securitysteeldoors.com. So I just said the e-comments website, which is thewholesale.co.uk, and then you can just put /doors. They do a variety of products from cladding, decking, skirting, trying to remember everything they do. So they do a whole range of stuff on there. I'll explain and I'll put links in this video at the bottom in the description. So yeah, basically this is the package you get. So I've measured the opening. You'll see that in my previous videos. I'll show you how to measure the opening. I've ordered the door. I've gone and picked this one up because it's only in Cardiff and we're in the valleys, so it wasn't too far for me to do that. And they very kindly let me have a look around their factory, which is superb, and their storage and stuff like that. So next day, 5 PM cut off, you can order a door and wallet bang, it'll be delivered on site the next day, which is fantastic. So basically with this securitysteeldoor.com, you basically get over 1,000 various different types of doors, colours, door furniture, expanding side panels, and it's all in stock, which is great. So we went for the 14-point multi-point locking high security door. It's a fire door as well, and basically you're not really getting through that. It's ideal for resist attack from opportunists, burglars, ideal for commercial use, residential dwellings, and it's building regulations approved document Q where required. So for me that was fantastic, so that's why I went with this company. So this is the fitting pack you get. You get your instructions on how to install it. There is a video link on YouTube that I'll also attach this video, so you can go to YouTube and watch how it's sort of installed. But they've asked me to do a bit more of a site video install so people can watch my video and they can pause it and see the methods that I do. But there is some instructions there. It comes with a little fixing kit which I thought was quite cute. It comes with a really cool Gary bevel. It comes with the fork handles, as we call it, and it's really smart. Securitysteeldoor.com is etched on there, but there's so many variations. I just went for standard on that. It comes with, which is what I like, because you can up it. You can have a coded key system if you wanted on your Euro cylinder, but I've just gone for a standard ERA cylinder on that one. But you can change that to different types of keys, so you know if you lose your keys they can't be copies, but these ones are standard, so I was pleased with that. The fixing kits, they give you, in the fixing kits, what I thought was really cool, they give you some plugs and screws, a drill bit, even an impact bit for your drill, and some packers, which I thought was really cool of them. Which is, you don't normally get that when you purchase a product. You have to supply fixings. So that's the pack. I'm now going to sort of get set up and I'm going to do the next couple of videos now. So don't forget to press the bell to notify you from the next videos. And remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching. So here we are at the unpacking stage. Security steel door. As you can see, it's well packed. Ply all around it, which is really good to see. And yeah, there she is. screw there. Just the last bits of the packaging off. Once I've done that, I should be able to lift that up, drag it over and plonk it in the hole. There's the camera, because there's cameras coming everywhere. So I just wanted to quickly show you what it's like on the inside of the frames. So inside these frames they've got the fire insulation there. Which is fantastic to see inside these doors. So I always like to have a look what they're made of, and yeah, I'm impressed with that. So I'll carry on putting that all back on. Goes all the way around, mind, and then offer it in my opening. Right then, so first thing to do is, once you've checked everything, checked your opening, is to fit the door handle. Always fit the door handle and the lock. Really, I do it for manual handling. Always fit your door handle, make sure everything works as it should. And now we're ready to install it in the opening. So what I've got, tools I've got to install this. I've got a nice big bit of oak, because I've got a bit of a distance there, and when I open it up I can wedge it. I've created the opening. I've got expanding foam, SDS 6.5. I've got star fixings, concrete fixings, impact drill, a hammer, a couple of wedges, and like I said, expanding foam. So literally now you can watch me struggle getting this in. Screw it. This one. One. And get the top on it. Put our wedge back in, guys. Makes life so much easier with a wedge. This one, you just get the screw in. then we've got to check that it all fits in there nicely. So once we've got those in, we can then check closing. So what you want is any traditional door when you're doing carpentry, you want to make sure this jamb here is equal and parallel all the way down. So what I do now is once I've got two tops done, my head's plumb, I then check this, which it does work, like that, and we're in. Like so. Right, I'm going to wedge up that now and do that in a second. So, put these in here and open that up. Like that. So now we know that's in there. I can fix the other two in there now. And you can watch it. And then let's just go from there. Right, so put some saw in. Someone's in now. Do this side. Once you've done that, then double check for closing. Make sure it's all parallel. Like that. Very nice. Right, that's it. That's how you install one of these doors. I've got to make up the head because I'm going to make that into something fancy at a later date. But that is literally it. I'm just going to foam up the these guys. I've got to foam up all the perimeter in that now, which I'll do. And then I'll make a temporary thing now, but then that will be a vented window up there just to let a bit of air in. Happy days. There we are. I'll put all the links in the video, and I'll come back towards the end and give you a final fitting spec. Right, so once you've got the door and frame in, you then have to plumb the bottom, plumb the closing jamb side, hinge side, closing side, check the head for level, and then when I fix it in a minute, when you watch me fix it, you'll watch me do it. I've put silicone in at the bottom on the seal there. I've packed it up that end, and you'll see me do that now. So you have to forgive me, I've got to do this because this is a public right away. I'll have to put the camera somewhere where you can watch me do it. Hope catch it on film.